Freshworks CRM Enterprise Marketing Hub App. The pros, the cons. Freshworks CRM Enterprise Marketing Hub app aims to unify sales, marketing and customer support, but does it meet the demands of large enterprises? On the positive side, Freshworks CRM offers a complete suite of tools, including lead management, email campaigns, workflow automation, and advanced analytics. The surprising truth is that enterprises can manage the entire customer life cycle from a single platform, reducing silos and improving efficiency. Enterprise plans include high-powered insights, multi-user collaboration, and integrations with popular apps like Slack, Zoom, and Google Workspace, making it easier for teams to act on real-time data. However, there are drawbacks. Most people get this wrong. They assume Freshworks CRM handles every marketing nuance out of the box. While versatile, some advanced automation, campaign customization, and reporting may require additional setup. Pricing scales with user count and advanced features, which can be significant for large teams. The learning curve for complex workflows may also require training. In conclusion, Freshworks CRM Enterprise Marketing Hub app is an excellent choice for enterprises seeking a unified platform for sales, marketing, and support. Its strengths lie in workflow automation, insights, and integration capabilities. By combining Freshworks CRM with strategic planning, enterprises can streamline processes, increase conversions, and deliver better customer experiences. For large teams, it offers an enterprise-ready solution that bridges marketing, sales, and support in one cohesive hub.